Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to upload an Excel file to Google Sheets. Friends, if you want to convert your Excel file to Google Sheet, then you simply need to open web browser and here open drive.google.com. Now in Google Drive you need to press on new. Here press on Google Sheets. Now here you need to press on file and select import. You can import file from my drive or you can simply upload your Excel file. So click on upload. Here you can drop your file from your PC or you can simply browse the file. After selecting the file, press on open. Now here we don't need to make any changes. You simply need to click on import data. Now it will import all the data from the Excel file to Google Sheets. Now you simply need to give a file name. And press on enter. So friends, now you have converted your Excel file to Google Sheets. So friends, like this you can very easily upload an Excel file to Google Sheets. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.